everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I went to Walgreens this morning. I told you guys about it, that Walgreens was going to hit 90% off. And I usually go to the Walgreens right down the road from me, but there is one person who pretty much takes everything. They said that they've taken like 3 carts full. And they like pretty much buy the stuff to resell it. And so I had to take my son to school this morning, so I'm like, I'm gonna try the Walgreens over by his school. It's an area that not a lot of couponers shop at, so I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna check it out. So I get there and I go in their aisle where they have like all the Easter stuff, and everything's marked at 70% off. So I'm like, okay, let's see if this stuff is 90% off or not. So I go to the register. I have a couple items that says, hey, can I just do a price check? I said, I want to see if these are ringing up 90% off. She's like, well, these were just 70% off yesterday. I says, yeah, but I just want to check. So they're ringing up 90% off. So I'm like, sweet. So then I'm like, okay, I'm just going to walk around. And they usually have a clearance end cap like in the far back corner of the store, like by the makeup. I'm like, I'm going to go over there and just see if there's anything over there. Well, they had a ton of like toys and stuff, and I'll show you guys that stuff too. And those are all said 70% off. So I'm like, I think those also might be 90% off also. So I go to I go to the photo department because there's a bunch of people just standing over there. She's like, well, these are probably still 70% off. I said, that's fine if they are. I just want to price check it, you know. So she scanned them and I said, yep, they're pulling it out as 90% off. So I'm like, sweet. So I go back and I grab some stuff because I buy a lot of this stuff to give away for Ben's birthday party. His birthday's at the end of the summer, so I give a lot of this stuff away for goodie bags for little kids. Plus we have a ton of birthday parties to go to in the summertime. Plus I just like giving things to give away. So I'm going to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens this morning for 90% off. Hopefully you guys can have your stores check it, or if you're not sure. So I just kind of had to play the guessing game and see what came up. So the first thing I saw that I thought was kind of cool are these, this is Rainbow Dreams, and this is a mega checkers set. It's 26 pieces, but it's got the giant checkers, and then it comes with like a little mat. This was originally $14.99, I think. I had to write all my prices down. I didn't take any pictures because like nothing was really marked, but the checkers was originally $14.99, and I got this for $1.49. Now, I got it a little bit cheaper because I do get an employee discount. My husband works for the company, so, but with the prices I'm giving you guys is what you guys can find it for. So if you guys can find something like this at your store for $1.49, I think it's pretty good. And then they also have a dinosaur one. So I thought, you know what, these would be great gifts, and this is something we can play outside with Benjamin. So I thought those would be something fun to play with. Now I'm just going to start grabbing bags and share with you guys what's in each bag. I ended up getting some Easter eggs. Now I have a ton of eggs already, but what I ended up doing is I got some stuff that I can put in the eggs. So I thought these would be just perfect to get. Now these were originally 99 cents for these. So we got these for like 9 cents or 10 cents a piece. So I just grabbed a couple of them because I don't need that much. So, but I feel like this year the stores were easy on eggs. Like last year I remember getting a ton of eggs. This year I didn't get it. They didn't hardly have any, which is fine. But I ended up getting 4 packs of the eggs. I'm going to put everything in this bag as I go. So, those for 9 cents. And then I saw these Orbeez. Now Ben loves Orbeez. He likes playing with them. I thought this would be kind of cool to do some like stuff with. I'm even thinking of starting a channel with him playing, because he just always is like, Mom, I'm doing a video. Mom, I'm doing a video. And I thought maybe someday we could start a channel for Benjamin. But these were $4.99 originally, and these came out to be 49 cents a piece. So I did get a bunch of them. And if we don't decide to do anything with them, I can always put them in the kids' goodie bags for the birthday party that we're having this summer. So I got 3 of those, and I do have some more in another bag. I think this is going to fall down. Now, one thing you guys definitely want to check and see if your store has the Kinder Eggs. Now, the Kinder Eggs do not go down to 90% off. They only stay, I think they stay at 70% off. So my store had these for 59 cents on clearance. Well, right now in Ibotta, you guys can get 35 cents. Now, I see some of you guys might have 50-cent rebates. I have 35 cents. So what you guys would do is pay you know, get these for 59 cents. These were originally $1.99, so 59 cents. Use 35-cent Ibotta. These come out to be $1/4 a piece, which I think is a pretty great deal. And it's a limit of 5, so I bought 5 of them. And if it resets, I might go back to Walgreens again and get some more, because you can't go wrong for that price. So I got Kinder Eggs for 24 cents a piece. Now I didn't do hardly any coupon in there, but I did do one deal, and I will share with you guys. I ended up getting these little suction cup balls. I thought this is kind of cool for Ben to throw out a window and play with it. So these were $1.99. Oh, I didn't know it lit up. That's cool. It lights up. But yeah, $1.99, 90% off. These come out to be 19 cents a piece. I did buy another one, so I got to find that one. But I thought that'd be cool. And then I thought this would be a perfect thing for the kids to have. Here's that other ball. I thought this would be a perfect thing to have for the kids to play with in their little goodie bags for Ben's birthday parties. So this is glitter slime. It's a 6-pack. I thought that's kind of cool. And then they also have regular neon slime. Now these were $4.99 a piece, but then you guys can get them for 90% off, making them 49 cents each. That is a super good deal. So I bought 2 of each one because I thought these would be perfect for the kids as birthday bags. You know, Ben's friends, and then Ben can play with it too because he likes slime. And I think it's super cute. They're like in little water bottles. So cute. So I got those. Can't go wrong for 50 cents for entertainment for your kids. So I got that. The next thing we got... Okay, the next thing I got was this little chick. Now they have the big chicks and they also have the smaller chicks. I thought this was kind of cute. These were originally $10 a piece, so $9.99, and I got it for 99 cents. I thought this is super cute, and I got it it's so soft. So I thought this would be a cute little decoration to put in the baby's room, and you can't go wrong. I was thinking of buying more. But I'm like, we're not huge stuffed animal fans, but I thought for that price, I'll get it. And then I saw this bunny, this nice little big bunny. I'm not into huge stuffed animals, but this was originally $19.99. Yeah, $19.99. You guys would get this for $1.99 if you guys chose this. But what I thought to do with this bunny is to do her monthly photos when she's born. I'm going to have her lay against the bunny and take her photo. But I thought that would be a perfect opportunity for this. So, and it's super soft. I mean, I was petting it the whole way I came home. I'm just like, this would be a kind of cute little thing to have her take her pictures with. So I definitely got that just to do the whole picture thing. Yeah, I went to 2 different stores. One store had a ton of stuff because they didn't know anything was 90% off. And the other store just found out also, but somebody took everything there. So, not a big deal. But I ended up getting some really good things that I think. I ended up getting this Slimy Goop Mystery Mix-Ums. What it is, it looks like it's slime and then you can put some stuff in it. I got 2 different kinds. Yeah, there's like a surprise minifigure inside. But I thought this would be a cute little thing to do with Ben when he's bored. And then we have play dates. So I thought it would be a great thing to do with the play dates. But these were $6.99 and I got them for 69 cents a piece. So I thought those are great little projects to work on. So got that. Now the one thing I did coupon for was the all laundry detergent. Now I'm not going to do the breakdown for you guys. Writing it down. I didn't take a picture of it because my store that I went to didn't have it marked down. So these are each $2.99 a piece. You guys can use a $1 off coupon for this one and a $2 off coupon for this one. Now the coupons are limit 1 per transaction. So you guys can still use 2 coupons of each one. You just can't do them all in one transaction. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. But you guys, I don't know, I wrote it down. You guys would end up paying $2.98 for the both of these after the coupons. But then you guys will get 3,000 points, making it free. This is a deal where you guys can pay with points and get points. So I was excited to do that deal. And I actually did it twice. I did it at one store, and then when I went to the other store, I did it at that store too. So I did it twice. I ended up getting these squishy soap things. I don't really know what it is, but something we can do with Ben, like, you know, DIYs with him. He loves little things here and there. So I thought squishy soap. These were this was also $6.99 and I got it for 69 cents. So I thought little projects for him to work on, anything, you know, keep him clean and all that stuff. So loved that. I ended up finding these bubble ease. What they are like Orbeez things that you can squeeze. It's a mystery one, so you don't know what you're gonna get. So I got 2 of them. These were originally 10 bucks a piece. 10 bucks a piece, so I got them for 99 cents each. Yeah, I have no idea what's in what, but they do feel a little bit different. So that these are great little things for Ben to play with if he wants some stress things. I might even give him one of those for a hospital gift. When I have the baby, I'm giving him a little gift bag of things. I thought that'd be kind of cute for him to play with in the hospital. And my cat is right next to me because she's got to be everywhere I go. I have another all bottle because I did it in 2 different stores. I ended up getting these Adventure Ahead bubbles. You got a toucan or a lion. I think these were $2.99 and I got them for 29 cents a piece. So I thought that was kind of cool. Ben's really into bubbles, so I thought, why not get bubbles? I mean, yeah, sometimes it's cheaper making your own bubble solution, but sometimes it's fun having these little things right here. Now this was something I'm like, what the heck is this? Here's my other pouch that I got, so got that. But this is the thing, I'm like, what the heck is this? It's like a magic jar kit, and what you do is you make your own color change mood light. So what you do is you put all the surprise figurines and glitter, confetti, magic power, water, and then you can decorate it and then shake it up to light it and it changes colors. I thought, okay, why not? It's a nice little project. You don't know what color or maybe you do. I don't know. I thought, whatever. So these were $6.99. Again, I got them for, no, this was $6.49 and I got them for 65 cents. So I thought, you know what, something to work on with Ben. I mean, yeah, it's girly, but I don't care. It's something to keep him occupied. So why not go with that? I got a couple more bags left to share with you guys. I got more of the Orbeez. I think I got like 7 of them. So, yes, more of the Orbeez because you can't go wrong with that. So I don't know what we're gonna do, but he likes to play with these, and I really like the jar. I got this little googly ball. I don't know how much this was. I don't even know if I wrote it down. I don't know how much the googly ball was. No, I don't know. I didn't write this down. But I ended up getting these. Yeah, I don't know what the price was for it, but these are probably under 50 cents a piece. So I thought they're kind of cool to play with. They do pop, but I got a narwhal and then, what is it? Some Aloha girl. So I thought, yeah, play with those. I got some punching balloons. These are light up punching balloons. These were $2.99 a piece, and then I got it for 29 cents. I thought these would be cool to play with Ben. Last up to 15 hours. So I thought these would be kind of cool just to play with them. And these do expire in 2021 in case you guys are interested. So thought, why not? Little things to play with Ben. And then I got a ton of these little things. Now these were originally, these were, where did I see this down? Wrote this down. These were, I think, 99 cents a piece. Why didn't I write? I did. Yeah, these were originally 99 cents a piece for a 3-pack. But with the 90% off, they come out to be 9 cents a piece. And I thought these would fit those eggs that I got and give these to the kids for Ben's birthday party or have them in the eggs so they're going to go on an Easter egg hunt. So I thought you can't go wrong with that. And I just grabbed a bunch. I didn't even count how many I bought. Looks like I bought 8. I bought 9 of them. So for that price, you know, that is an awesome deal for about 10 cents a piece. So we got that. Okay. The next thing I found were these Disney Enrolling activity sets. I thought these would be good to use for Easter next year. One for Ben. I know she'll be a little too young, but still can get it. But it has paper, markers, crayons, a stencil, and stickers. So I thought that's cute. These were $4 a piece, so I got these for 40 cents. Thought can't go wrong for 40 cents for Easter stuff. So I'm like, yeah. And then I found these instant slime goop. Now these were originally $6.99, and then you get them for 90% off. They come out to be 69 cents. So I thought these would be kind of cute. We have a play date, so I thought the kids would have fun doing this all together someday when it's like raining outside. Just make some slime. So we got that. I got one last bag for you guys. Gotta pet my cat because, you know, she has to be everywhere I go. And then the next thing, or the last thing I found was this Pop Fizz. These were $6.99 and I got them for 69 cents. But these are to make your own bath bombs. And then there's like a little prize inside. I thought that's kind of cute. Ben is hardcore into bath bombs. And why not let him make some bath bombs and he can play with them in the tub. So we got 2 star-shaped ones. And then we ended up getting, was this a unicorn on a stick? So I got that. So I got a lot of stuff that Ben can actually use. Like, I try to cut back on a lot of stuff, but these are just activities that, you know, Ben can play with and throw it away. So I didn't spend hardly anything. But yes, that was my haul. I was pretty excited to see everything that I got. My total originally came to $27.62, but I did pay with points, so I paid about $10 worth of points for all that stuff. So we got that, and then I also got 6,000 points for the 2 transactions, so that is $6 that I got back. And also keep in mind, the new point system starts this Sunday. So my total came to $21.62, but then I got $1.75 back with Ibotta for the Kinder eggs, so definitely do that deal if you guys can. So my grand total came to $19.87. Is what I actually paid, but then I got the 6,000 points back. Nope, $19.87 for everything. So I think that's a pretty good deal. I mean, $20 for all that stuff. But I was really excited for this bunny because now I got a picture taken. Get my picture taken with the bunny. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys everything that I got. Hopefully you guys can get some good stuff too. Make sure you check around, price check if you have to. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later for another Walgreens haul. See you guys later. Bye bye.